Hi everyone, thanks for joining Salesforce online training demo from svtechsoft. Okay, today is just demo for the Salesforce training. Okay, let me start demo. First of all, before start today's demo, first of all, who am I? Okay, actually, who will be provide this particular training session? Okay, let me introduce myself first of all. My name is 𝐂𝐨𝐿 𝐂𝐨. I have total 10 plus years of experience into Salesforce. So far, actually, I've worked into 3 different countries. I do have almost 7 plus years of experience in teaching. Okay, so far, I completed almost 100 plus batches on Salesforce. Yeah, this is what all about me. Okay. In this particular Salesforce training, what are modules will gonna cover? I will give some idea on this first of all. Okay, before start, what is Salesforce and everything? I hope actually, okay, a lot of people is already have good idea actually what are concepts will be there in Salesforce, what we're gonna learn. You know, from this course, Salesforce, you can apply a number of job positions. Like, you know, from this particular Salesforce training, you can go as a Salesforce CRM consultant. You can go as a Salesforce administrator. You can go as a Salesforce developer. You can go as an architect. You can go as a tester. You can go as a business analyst. Okay. A number of jobs opportunities will be covered from this training program because in the Salesforce will be providing complete all the module training. Okay. That is what here I clearly defined here what are concepts will be covered from this particular training program. Okay, let me quickly walk through this. Okay, what are models will be there in Salesforce, what we can learn, okay, from this training program. First of all, in the Salesforce training, we will be teach CRM. You know, the Salesforce as inbuilt of CRM. CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. What does that mean? Okay, actually, why we have to be learn the CRM in Salesforce? Means, you know, for example, if we can take any company, okay, that company is simply doing the manufacturing or selling the product. Is it enough? No, right? Compulsory that the company need to be provide the proper service to the customer. Then only their brand get increase. First of all, in this market, if we see actually, we have Sony, LG, Samsung. Okay, right. Okay, so many customers, okay, some directly go to the brands. They will not go through the newly launched companies. Why? Because how they provide service to the customer, they don't know. Even actually, if we have 3 brands, LG, Samsung, Sony, like that, for example, 3 brands. First of all, which brand we can give reference? We can go through the review. Review means customer earlier faced any problem. Okay, how the company react. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. How quickly the company provide service to the customer will be consider all these factors. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, here actually in the Salesforce CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. In this CRM, they can track all customer interaction, okay, customer warranty, customer service, all sales process, all service process. They have to be stored in the CRM. You know, the Salesforce provide inbuilt of CRM features earlier before coming to Salesforce. Any company has implemented the project with any technology, make sure at the end they have to go with CRM. CRM is very demand in this market. Okay, in this CRM only they can track all the customer service, warranty, everything they can track it. You know, the Salesforce mentioned that if you develop any project on Salesforce like that, no need to go with CRM on separate application. We will be give as a free of cost CRM features. Okay, there is no need to pay extra money. Okay, because this is the one of the reason the Salesforce is also more demand in the market. in this CRM is broadly classified into two different categories. What are those means? Sales and service. Sales means, for example, there is a company, X company launched any new product. That new product has sold to the customer. All the customer tracking and everything, sale deal process and everything need to be tracked under Sales Cloud. For example, if the customer has purchased any product, the company provides some kind of warranty. Within that warranty period, customer face any problem, this company need to be provide the free service, right? Or sometimes they charge money to replace the particular product item or something, right? Okay, all those service kind of the problem issues, everything they can track under Service Cloud. The CRM is broadly classified into two categories: sales and service. Sales is nothing but sales and particular opportunity, sales deal process and everything. Service is nothing but customer problem, issues, warranty. Everything will become under Service Cloud. You know, the Salesforce provide free of cost CRM features to us. Okay, there is no need to do anything. Whatever the Salesforce provide, we have to be simply learn. That's it. Okay, in the Salesforce, we have to be learn both Sales Cloud and Service Cloud. Because of the CRM, the Salesforce is also most demandable CRM tool in the market. Okay. Apart from the CRM features, we have to be learn administrative concept. Administrative is nothing but to create a user or permissions or role defining or the particular to set organization working hours or different language set, everything will be comes under administrator. Administrator concept is completely point and click. Point and click means we may call it as declarative or we can call it as out of the box features. Means whatever the functionality provided by Salesforce, those we have to be learned. Everything we have to be learned through point and click only. Okay. Apart from that, you know, okay, Visual Force Page development, lightning web component. What are those? These all are comes under development. Visual Force Page development, effects development, lightning web component integration. You know, actually, what is the need to learn this development? As I mentioned, the Salesforce provide complete point and click features. Means we can call it as a declarative or we can call it as out of the box feature. But you know, we actually in this training program, we have to be cover development also. Okay, where we have to use exactly this development inside Salesforce. You know, whenever we develop any specific requirement, that particular requirement we may not achieve through this point and click. Means yeah, administration concept. That time we have to be do for coding. Until unless there is no need to do coding, there is no need to learn. But you know, if you learn the coding, if you know the coding, you are the most demandable person in the market. A lot of job opportunity on the development side. That is the reason, you know, this development is very easy. If you are came from non-native background, if it doesn't have coding experience, no need to worry. I will give promise. Okay, you can easily learn, but you know, you have to be learn in right direction with right path. That only the development is very easy. Okay? Here, you know, what is Visual Force Page, what is lightning web component. You know, the Salesforce developments means user interface. User interface means look and feel. The design for the Salesforce classified into two categories. What are those means? Classic version and lightning version. Okay, the classic version comes under Visual Force Page. Lightning version comes under Lightning means Aura and Lightning Web Component LWC. These two, the user interface. Okay, what is Visual Force Page classic version? You know, classic version is the older version. Older version means whenever you develop any specific project and Salesforce, the classic version earlier compatible to only your desktop device. Okay, the company employees, clients may not use their application by using tab or mobile. Okay, the screen automatically not resizing. It faces a lot of difficulty. It's not much compatible for mobile device. there will be a lot of issues with classic version. That up to classic will take a lot of time to load and everything. Okay. Okay, actually, okay. The Salesforce achieved all those things and everything. They have to be introduced the new Lightning version. This is the more browser compatibility and mobile compatibility. Lightning is the more faster compared to Classic. This is the new modern UI. They have built complete Aura and some LWS component using HTML, JavaScript, some SLDS, Salesforce Lightning design system. Okay, the Lightning is the more compatible for mobile device. Means one single application the client's customer can use on any device, or they can use mobile, tab, desktop. The Salesforce each and every day they ever come up with new features, new functionality. Because of these reasons, the Salesforce is more and more demand in the market. Lot of jobs, so millions of job opportunities in this world. Okay, what is this development? Development is nothing but business logic. So far, we discussed about the user interface means look and feel, front end only, Visual Force based Lightning web component. But okay, Apex is one of the object-oriented programming language. It's similar to core Java. Okay, means development, core Java. Actually, do we learn much coding like Java and everything? Not like that. The Salesforce Apex coding is very simple and clean. Not that much core Java. It is a simple core Java. Okay. In this particular development, you have to learn Apex programming. Okay. Apart from this Apex development, we have to learn integration also. What is mean of integration? Integration is nothing but transfer or exchanging data from one technology to another technology. Let me give you an example. Some everyone using mobile banking, right? Internet banking, something. If you have to be transfer money or withdraw, for example, nowadays, PayPal, GPay, PhonePe, right? Okay, this PayPal, PhonePe easily interact with other banks. How? They have some integration. Connectivity will be there from GPay, PayPal, or PhonePe to the banking. They can easily transfer or withdraw, okay, or to send money to some other application. That is okay. Actually, we have to learn this particular integration. Integration, nothing but transfer or exchanging data from one application to another application. Okay, if you know the integration, you will be more demandable person in the market. Okay, the Lightning web component is also came recently, because which came in the year 2019. Okay, see, okay, Lightning Aura it came in the year 2015. Lightning web component LWC came in the market 2019. Okay, if you know the LWC and integration, you are the most valuable resource in the market. You can get job easily. In this training program, we will be teach all these modules. Does anyone have any doubts? Before go to what is Salesforce and everything, just so far I give some idea what are concepts will be teach from this training program. What we have to build at. Okay. These all are main modules in the Salesforce training. Okay. From this particular module, you can apply any type of job. Yeah. Hi. Yes, tell me.
Hi. Yes, I have a question. Well, actually, a few questions. One, I wanted to ask, is this okay for someone to join who doesn't have a technical background, and no prior technical or coding experience?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so
the
so the
Salesforce
batch,
is, the
yes,
Salesforce is the best option to move the non-IT to IT.
right.
First,
Okay,
another thing is here, coming into the coding part, at least you have to be dedicated 1 or 2 hours for the practice, because of
yes,
actually first time you are seeing this coding and everything. Okay.
yes,
Okay, you have to be spend at least 1 hour of time for the practice purpose. Actually, while learning wise, okay, you can understanding very easily. You can grasp.
right.
But after 2 days or 3 days, we may forget easily, right? We have
Yes,
to be
yes,
do kind of revision. Actually, we all are
yes,
humans, not robots, right? We cannot
right.
keep in our mind each and everything. What I
Of course.
recommend is we have to do kind of revision. It is a very simple and clean program,
Okay. Okay.
not like
And
Java or anything. Okay.
okay.
If you
Okay.
know the main basic, you have to be reuse the same concept in all the development areas.
Okay. Okay. So, my second question is, will we be doing will we be learning any coding languages as part of this? And if yes, which ones?
That is what here. The coding prospect you have to be learn Apex. Apex
Okay,
is
I
one
see.
of the native language in Salesforce.
I see. Okay.
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 Apex is one of the native language in Salesforce. Okay. As I mentioned, if it doesn't have any coding background, no need to worry.
Yeah.
I will
Okay.
teach
Okay.
from the scratch, from the base level.
Okay.
What is integer,
Okay.
what is decimal. Okay.
Okay.
Sometime here
And then
actually you may get confused. You are make very simple, like funny kind of thing. Because it's my responsibility to teach from the scratch level to advanced level.
right. Okay. And then just two more questions. One is, will this course help us prepare for, like, if we don't have any certification, will this help us preparing for that or no? Or
Yes, from this
okay,
training program, you can clear your certification exam.
okay,
Okay. I will help
okay,
you to clear your administrator, PD1, then Sales Cloud, Service Cloud certification. Okay.
okay. So you
Will be
will
help.
assign us, like, when we are doing the course, will you also tell us exactly which trailhead modules to study and
Yes,
all of
yes.
that?
For each
Okay,
and every
perfect.
module, we will be
Yeah.
share the trial head link also. Okay.
Okay,
To
okay,
be
perfect.
complete.
That sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Actually, for example, trial head, for example, if we can take one simple module, okay,
Yeah,
it may take 30 minutes, 40 minutes of time to be complete. For simple thing, I'm talking about
yeah, yeah,
just.
yeah.
But in training programming, we will be giving within 5 or 10 minutes with some a number of examples, 3 to 4 different examples.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
training program will be happen complete in real time.
Okay,
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 you can
okay.
complete your certification same way. You can crack your interview. Okay, actually,
Yes,
as
yes.
I mentioned, whoever career
Okay,
gap, I'm telling frankly, there is no much job opportunity for freshers.
okay.
Everyone has to be keep some experience, then who has the experience, right? From
Yes,
this
yes.
training programming, everyone will get more than 3 years of exposure. Up
Oh,
to that level,
wonderful.
we do provide training.
Okay,
Okay, this
okay.
training, see, whenever we start training, that time only will be take one project module, right? Okay, like some retail, healthcare, and everything, bank.
Yeah,
On top of that, only complete training will be happening. At the end of the training, you will get complete end-to-end project knowledge. You
okay.
can tell the same in your interview also. For
Right,
example,
right.
some interviewer may ask, okay, what functionality you develop, where you face
Yes,
difficulty, what challenges you faced in your development.
yeah,
Okay,
okay.
if you really see, actually, okay, so if you really do practice, then only you can explain. Correct or not?
Right.
In this
Yeah, no, I
training
understand.
program, we will be teach up to that level.
Okay, okay. Thank you for answering my questions.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so everyone is good, right? This particular concept, if you are good, then I will go to the next concept because of we will be no. Okay, so why we have to learn Salesforce? Why it is more demand in the market, right? Before going to Salesforce, I will give some idea about cloud computing. You know, see, most of people, for example, if you are recently looking for job or anything, okay, the basically we have to be asked to our okay senior persons or relatives who are working in IT side. We can simply call them actually what technology is more demand in the market. Okay, we are humans, right? We always depending on others. Okay, based on according their feedback or anything, then only we have to be come to this course. Correct or not? First word everyone is tell about cloud computing is more demand in the market, right? If you open any magazine or any newspaper or any article, you will see common this word cloud computing. Cloud computing is more and more demand in the market. First of all, what is cloud computing? Why we have to be like, the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. Okay, because of this reason, you have to be learn Salesforce. Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. That is the reason it's more and more demand in the market. Okay, first of all, we will see what is cloud computing. Okay, before going to Salesforce, what is Salesforce? Okay, just in our previous this one, we discussed what are the concepts will be covered in the Salesforce. Now we will see the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Okay, first of all, give some example. There will be a cloud and on-premise. Earlier, before coming to this cloud computing, there will be an on-premise. On-premise means the particular software will be there in company premises. Company premises means company location. For example, in this particular market, we will have Java, .NET, SAP, TIPCO, Oracle, right? Lot of software. If any company has to be used any particular software, first of all, make sure they have to do kind of installation within their laptop, as well as they have to be maintain the servers within the company premises like this. Okay, they have a lot of connectivity, network access, anything. For example, if the particular that is the reason whenever you visit any company premises, in some like underground or anything, they have a lot of missions or their servers. Those all of we can call as servers. Means they are keep maintaining the particular software within the company premises. Okay. Obviously 24/7, this employees will be observing, monitoring the software, how the performance and everything. Okay, they have to be fix lot of ACs, okay, like some air conditioner, as well as 24/7 power supply or anything. If they any power supply, any problem or anything, system will get cross. Okay. For example, best example I will give. For example, you purchased one laptop. You have used it almost 6 months perfectly. After 3 months, you did not open laptop. What happened? Whenever you try to open 4th month or 5th month, laptop will not be open. It went to sleep mode. Okay, actually, the laptop or anything electrical device, if you use continuously, then only the work condition is good. If you not use the couple of days or couple of months, the performance wise it went down. It will not work. Even the companies also, all software servers, they have to be always 24/7 in working condition. If it went almost some few seconds or few hours, the complete servers and everything is lost. The companies earlier facing lot of headache, lot of problem with maintaining their software or hardware. Okay, understanding or not? Paying money is easy for companies, but facing lot of difficulty, headache, trouble, maintaining their software or hardware. Okay, that time only there is a concept came into the market. What is it? Cloud computing. Here, the companies no need to install or maintaining any software within the company premises. They can simply access through the internet. Cloud is nothing but not like in the clouds. Okay, here cloud is nothing but here internet. Accessing the particular software or hardware service through the internet. There will be a wire sign here, right? It denotes accessing through the internet from one system to another system. They can simply access or transfer data from one particular system to another system through the internet. Cloud is nothing but here internet. Is this clear? On-premise is nothing but within the company premises. Cloud is nothing but access over the internet. That is mean of cloud. First of all, let me give more idea. What is on-premise application? On-premise is nothing but require the pre-installation of software in the device. Okay. For example, if you need any particular software have to be installed, okay, that is completely on-premise. For example, mobile application, MS Office, Tally, Java, MS Microsoft .NET, Oracle database, okay, SQL Server. Those all are required some software within the particular device. The companies they have to maintain the server. Those all are we can call as on-premise. It won't support to install all the device. For example, if you take any SAP software, we cannot directly install on your laptop or some desktop. Make sure you have to be maintain the system configuration. You know, at least I require 4 GB RAM, at least I have okay, actually 500 GB hard disk. If your hard disk is below 500 GB, you cannot install SAP software. Means whenever you have install any software, make sure the system maintains the configurations, proper configuration. Then only system will be allowed to install. If it does not maintain the configuration, you cannot install it. See, there is a problem with on-premise. It won't support install all the device. All the device means here, okay, all the particular laptops. Okay, losing the customer or business revenue and profit. Now, what is that means? For example, okay, actually, what is the mean of losing? Okay, actually, if the company is using on-premise means all the software within their company premises. Then here, what is the problem? You know, the software companies also they will upgrade their versions, right? For example, take any Java. Java nowadays version is Java, okay, Java 10, okay, some 1.10. Earlier we do have 1.6, 1.7, 1.4, 1.2, 1.1, 1.4 like that. But you know, the company has purchased Java 1.4 software. Now the recent version is Java 1.8, for example. Okay, for example, this company got a client from US, United States. That client was mentioned, I do not want to do my particular project on Java 1.4. You have to be do on the latest version. You know, this company can simply can't replace to contact Java company to replace Java 1.4 to 1.8, right? This company also doing business Java also. This company, if you need Java 1.8 version, you have to be pay extra money. Okay, this company say like that, we do not have Java 1.8, we can do with Java 1.4. These customers can't accept it because of this customer paying money to the companies, right? Understanding or not? There is a lot of problem of okay the maintaining as well as there is a problem upgradation problem. Here, whenever the company is using on-premise, they can lose the customers, business revenue and profit. As well as there is a lot of problem with upgradation. Okay, if the companies have some version of software, any new release came into the market, they cannot upgrade easily. This vendor will be asked extra money to get the new version of software. There will be a lot of problem with on-premise. That time only came the market into the concept of cloud computing. We can call it as on-demand application. What is that mean of cloud computing? Cloud computing means whenever you can take any service from the cloud, does not require any kind of installation. Access the service from internet using mobile, smartphone, tab, laptop, desktop. There is no need to maintain within the company premises. Everything you can access through the internet. That is the reason the cloud computing is more and more popular in the market. Clear? What is the main difference between on-premise and cloud? I will give more idea on this. First of all, you have to know what is mean of on-premise, what is mean of cloud. On-premise means the software within the company premises. Cloud is nothing but access through the internet. Simple. Now, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but how the particular company accesses a service from the internet. You know, here, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing nothing but it provides services, means whatever service, hardware and software service to the companies through the internet. It includes all tools and applications like any data storage, any software, any networking, all things, whatever you want. Even MS Office, Java, .NET, Oracle, TIBCO, SAP, SQL Server, everything nowadays provide, all the vendors provide service through the internet. Here, the cloud computing concept is based on the concept of pay-per-use. Pay-per-use means how much time the company use the particular software or hardware. For the time being, only the vendor charge money. Okay. See, whenever you take service from the cloud computing, the company can resize your software or upgrade. Means here upgradation or downgradation. Okay, downgrade. Downgrade means to get the lower version. Upgrade means okay, latest version. Downgrade means older version. Whatever you want, you can simply request, you can get it easily because the companies get all the service through the internet. Clear? Earlier, if the company has to do any kind of project, they have to be maintained the on-premise software. On-premise means they have to be purchased all software. They have to be installed within the company premises. Okay. If the company face any problem or difficulty, they have to be called customer care department. Those people will be visit to the companies. The resolution and everything may take a lot of couple of hours, days, months of time to resolve this. But whenever companies take the service from the cloud computing, okay, through the particular internet, they can get any particular resolution or service very easily. Okay? There is no need to maintain hours of time. If you face any problem or difficulty, vendor will be resolved immediately because you are taking all service to the internet. Basically, who will provide this particular hardware or software service to the companies over through the internet? Means here, vendors will be provide this service. Who are the vendors? Vendors are nothing but whoever maintaining their own software, their own hardware. Those companies we can call this vendor. For example, Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the vendor. You know why Microsoft is a vendor? Microsoft having their own software, their own hardware. Okay, let me give some example. MS Office, Windows operating system. Okay, SQL Server, Visual Studio .NET. Those all are Microsoft products. These products, the Microsoft company provides service to the companies through the internet. Okay, but the Microsoft charge money from the companies based on the concept of pay-per-use. What is mean of pay-per-use? How much time this company use the particular software or hardware? For the time being, only the vendor charge money from the companies. That is mean of pay-per-use. Earlier, you know, earlier some previous, okay, see, nowadays everyone using the internet through their mobile, laptop, desktop. Earlier, almost some 10 years back, we doesn't have mobile phones, right? For need any kind of internet, usually go and visit the internet cafe. How the internet cafe charge money? How much time we can use the particular system or laptop? For the time being, only they charge money. The same concept is applicable for cloud computing also. Okay, the cloud computing, simply the vendor provide one login URL, username and password provided to the companies. They can simply log in, they can access their software or hardware directly through the laptop. There is no need to do any kind of installation kind of thing. Okay, they can directly access all the service through the internet. Whatever they want, they can do plug and play kind of thing. Okay, how much time this company use the particular service? For the time being, only the vendor charge money. Okay, see, whenever you can take service from the cloud computing, you can upgrade or downgrade your software. Okay, you can resize your server software, means upgrade or downgrade easily because the vendors provide all service to the internet based on simple SQL. Okay, based on your simple request or email or mobile call, they can take action, do the needful. Okay. First of all, who will provide all software or hardware service to the companies? Means here, vendors will be provide service. Who are the vendor? Whoever have their own products, their own software or hardware. Those all are we can call as vendor. Like okay, so Microsoft, then Google Cloud, and Salesforce. Salesforce is also one of the vendor. The Salesforce provides some service to the companies. We have to learn the Salesforce. Then Dell, IBM, Oracle, Dropbox, those all are vendor. These vendors provide their service to the companies through the internet. Okay. Because of this reason, the cloud computing is more and more popular in the market. Nowadays, no one company the purchase software directly. They can access all the software from the cloud. Whatever customer want, this company provides service to the customer. Okay. Clear? What type of architecture having the cloud computing? The cloud computing having the type of architecture is multi-tenant. Multi-tenant means here the vendor have only one single software. Same single software they can given into multiple companies. Let's say Oracle, IBM, then Deloitte, like that. Every company use the same software, but every company feels like that it's my own software, it's my own hardware. Okay, that is mean of multi-tenant. Multi-tenant means the vendor have only one single software. The same software will be given to multiple companies. Nowadays, okay, now each and every company feels like that their own software, their own hardware. That is mean of multi-tenant architecture. Single tenant means on-premise kind of thing. Okay, the single software will be given to only one company, another software given to another company. But here within this cloud computing, who will be maintaining all the data and everything is here? Vendor only will be maintaining all the software within the vendor premises. Through the internet, they provide service to the companies. Now every company feels like that it's my own software, it's my own hardware. Is this clear? Are you good with this cloud computing or not? Do you have any doubts or okay? Are you not clear with this concept? Please let me know. I will try to explain it. Okay. Yeah. Let me move into the advantage of cloud computing. What are the advantages of cloud computing? The main advantage of cloud computing is you can access the service from the internet through anywhere, anytime. Okay, because the cloud computing provide all the service to the internet. Because of this reason, customers or company employees can access the particular software or hardware from anywhere. Then another one is flexible and scalable. Because of the vendor provide all service through the internet, right? This particular company, okay, can simply give request to upgrade or downgrade the software. That is mean of flexible and scalable. Based on their flexibility, they can simply give request for upgrade or downgrade. Another one is cost effective. Means whenever the companies take service from the cloud computing, okay, the companies will not charge money initially. The cloud computing completely based on the concept of pay per use. How much time the companies use the service from the particular vendor, for the time being only the vendor charge money. Okay, they will not charge money any initially. That is mean of cost effective. Another one is faster service. Earlier, okay, within the particular on-premise, if the company give any request to the vendor take couple of days, months time to deliver one single software within the company premises. But nowadays it's changed. If the company want any particular software, okay, within hours the vendor provide the service, because the vendor provide all the service through the internet. That is mean of it's faster. Then secure is nothing but the company also maintaining lot of security rules, okay, while providing the particular software to the companies. How the bank provides the service to the company, same level of security provided to the companies also. Okay, it's more secure while accessing the particular software or hardware. Because all these reasons, cloud computing is more and more popular in the market. every company now these days using all the service from the cloud computing only. Clear? Then type of clouds. There will be three different type of clouds will be there. Public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Whenever vendor provides service to the companies, the vendor, first of all, the vendor will be asked question to the companies, what type of cloud you want to access the particular software or hardware. Okay. Accordingly, they will provide service to the companies. Public cloud means, okay, the basically vendor what they do, they simply share one login URL, username, and password. Based on these credentials, they can access the particular software or hardware. Okay. Okay. Whenever this vendor take the service, what type of cloud? Public cloud is nothing but the company employees can access the particular software or hardware anywhere, anytime through the internet. There is no restriction. They can access from within the company premises or outside of the company premises if they know the valid credentials. That is mean of public cloud. If they know credentials, the employees can access the service anywhere, anytime through the internet. Private cloud is nothing but, okay, if the vendor has restricted for private cloud, means the vendor configure a lot of IP ranges and everything. What is the mean of private cloud? Private cloud means the company employees can access the particular software or hardware within the company premises only. They cannot access from the outside. Okay? That is mean of private cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but there will be a combination of both private cloud and public cloud. Means the employees can access all the service within the company premises. But I have to be give privileges to managers can access the service from outside, means from the homes or anywhere. In that case, yeah, that is mean of to give the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but there will be a combination of both private cloud and public cloud. Is this clear? Type of clouds will be three types: private, public, and hybrid cloud. Then cloud services. Cloud services means there will be three different type of cloud services will be there. What are those means? SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. SaaS is nothing but software as a service, platform as a service, then infrastructure as a service. The basically, okay, the vendor can split their software or hardware into three different services. For example, if they have any software or anything, they have to be keep under SaaS service, software service like operating system, Visual Studio .NET, Java, Oracle, SQL Server. All these things they have to be keep under SaaS service. Platform as a service means if the companies have any operating system like the Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, okay, Mac OS, all the things they have to be updated into platform as a service, PaaS. Infrastructure as a service comes under if the vendors have any storage network kind of LAN, WAN kind of thing version, they have to be updated under infrastructure as a service. There will be three different type of services will be there. What are those means? SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Then now coming into Salesforce, the Salesforce is also uses the cloud computing. Why? Because the Salesforce provide services to the companies through the internet. That is the reason the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. Okay. Clear? Why the Salesforce is in a cloud computing? The Salesforce is also provide service to the companies through the internet. Because of this reason, the Salesforce is also one of the cloud computing. Here, the company employees, customers, we can simply access Salesforce through the internet. Here, you have to be make note one thing. Without internet, you cannot do anything on Salesforce. Compulsory, you have required internet. First of all, okay, so far we discussed about cloud computing. The Salesforce also uses cloud computing. Now let me discuss about Salesforce. This is what we have to be learned in our training program. What is Salesforce? The coming into definition of Salesforce. Salesforce is not a software. The Salesforce is not a hardware. What it is? The Salesforce, it's a technology. Okay, it provides service to the customer over internet. Without internet, the customers cannot do anything. How it look like the Salesforce? Salesforce look like Gmail or Facebook. Okay, it gives simply one login URL, username, and password. We can simply register, then we can log in, then start doing development. Clear? Do we really need any kind of installation of software or hardware in our laptop? There is no need. Okay, because of this, because the Salesforce provide all the service through the internet. I'm repeating again, without internet we cannot do anything. Clear? Is there any system specifications? There is no need any system specification. If you have good browser like Chrome, Mozilla, Internet Explorer with good internet connectivity, that's enough. That's more enough. There is no need in any system configurations. Okay, you have proper internet connectivity with good browser. That's enough to learn the Salesforce. Okay, what type of architecture having the Salesforce? Okay, earlier we have seen the cloud computing architecture. Now we will see the Salesforce architecture. The Salesforce having type of architecture is MVC, means model view controller. See, Salesforce having type of architecture as MVC. What is mean of MVC? MVC means model view controller. Here, what comes under model, what comes under view, what comes under controller? MVC means model view controller. Here, view represents user interface, means front end. Front end, yeah. Front end means look and feel. If you can open any website, for example, take any Emirates or any IRCTC website. IRCTC is for train booking in India. Emirates is for flight booking, kind of. Okay, or any Indigo. Okay, or actually whenever you can log in the website, actually whatever we see, the flight information, everything is for front end user interface. But originally, all the data means flight information, train information, everything it will be stored under database. Database means the purpose of storage. But whenever we can give request to pull data from database and everything, how we can get means with the help of business logic controller, with the help of controller. The Salesforce having type of architecture as MVC. MVC means model view controller. View comes under user interface, means look and feel. Earlier whenever we see the Salesforce, what our models will be discussed, right? The user interface comes under, okay, see, everything we can achieve through the point and click only, but some of the requirement we may not achieve through the point and click declarative, okay, or out of the box features. That time only we have to go with coding. Okay, Visual Force Page, Lightning Aura, Lightning Web Component, Delta. These three concepts will become under user interface front end. But there will be a controller, means business logic. Business logic will be help to interact from your front end to back end. In middle layer will be a business logic. Okay, but okay, each and every business logic and everything you may achieve through the point and click. But some of the client requirement we may not achieve through the point and click. That time you have to be learn coding. Further, you have to be learn Apex programming language. Apex is an object-oriented programming language that you have to be learned for coding in Salesforce. Then there will be a database will be there. Database, what is the purpose of database? to store any information, the project information, the project data, customer data, client data, and everything. We have to be stored on the database. Okay, you know, the database is the main purpose of to store the specific information. But you know, to learn this database, or we learn any SQL Server or Oracle, or do we write any queries inside Salesforce? My answer is no. You have to be learn the Salesforce database with point and click. To create or to design any data model, there is no need to write single query, single statement, development process. Everything is here, point and click only. Okay. You know, if you will observe one single project to develop on Salesforce, Salesforce introduced all front-end business logic database. No need to go with any other technology. No need to go with any other database. Everything you can build within Salesforce itself only. That is the reason the Salesforce is more demand in the market. You know, if you have clear some IT experience, IT knowledge or anything, you can get, you know. For example, to develop one single project, the companies require 40 plus of software, 40 plus of tools to track, maintaining, to develop, to design. Okay. But you know, whenever you develop any project on Salesforce, there is no need to take any extra tools, applications, or softwares. Everything you can build with only one single Salesforce, because Salesforce will be provide the inbuilt user interface. The Salesforce provide their internal business logic, Apex programming language. The Salesforce provide their own database, Salesforce database. Okay. Whenever you develop the product on Salesforce, there is no need to go with any other technology, tools, or software. Everything you can build within Salesforce. That is the reason the Salesforce is more and more demand in the market. Each and every company's client, their eyes move onto Salesforce, because the customers, clients, companies, they use their functionality, they improve their business, access their business anywhere, anytime through the internet. The top two clients, customers, the companies also getting more profitable. There is no need to maintaining any softwares. There is no need to maintain any database, hardware, or anything. Everything they can access with the internet. They do the development very easily, very quickly. Okay. That is the reason Salesforce is more and more demandable technology. Lot of clients or companies started using the Salesforce. Earlier, whatever projects built on other technology like SharePoint, Java, .NET, SAP, okay, all the projects now migrating into Salesforce. The companies are moving into Salesforce. That is what demanding of the Salesforce. Okay. Then Salesforce releases. What is releases? Releases means upgradations, means new versions into market. You know, the Salesforce having 3 different type of releases in the market. Means they were come up with the new features, new kind of enhancements. Okay, how the Salesforce come up with the new release, new features? When it comes, is there any specific date and time? Yes. The Salesforce coming up with new releases, new features based on the seasons. You know, we do have 3 different seasons: winter, spring, summer. Based on the season, for each season, the Salesforce come up with the new releases, new features into the market. But those features are not impacted on, okay, actually not give any problem on the existing projects. You know, okay, so many projects is already developed or used, but this new release will not give any impact on your the current functionality. You know, whenever you're using Android or some iPhones, so basically we will be get some notification, upgrade your software version. If you install something, sometimes our mobile get hanged or anything because of the problem of new releases, new features. But in Salesforce, not like it. It will give not impact on your existing product behavior. Okay, the Salesforce keep in mind all the particular enhancement features they have to be designed and developed. They will be they will be released. Okay, then additions. Clear? Addition is nothing but account. As I mentioned, the Salesforce is just like Gmail only. The Salesforce provide simply one login URL, username, and password. Okay, let me give more idea about addition in our regular batch and everything. Now here, how to create our Salesforce account? Just I'm giving simple overview. To create our free Salesforce account for the practice or anything, first you have to go the URL as www.salesforce.com. There will be a button you will see try for free button. Okay, the system will be asked the first name, last name, work email, job title, phone number, company. You can give any company. You can give any employees size or anything. Then you can simply accept terms and conditions. Okay, then you can click on start email like that. Okay, the Salesforce username will be take default as email address. Here usernames are unique within the Salesforce. Okay, once you create one particular account with one the particular email address, we cannot create one more the Salesforce account with the same email name, but you can create a number of accounts with the same email. Okay, let me show you quickly. To create any Salesforce account or anything, you can go to the URL as salesforce.com. You can click on login. Sorry, not login. You will see the button of start my free trial. Whenever you click on start my free trial, okay, system will be asking the first name, last name, work email address, job title, then company name, okay, then here phone number, okay, then country. You can click on accept, okay, main services agreement. Then you click on start my free trial. Automatically you will receive one email address. Okay, you have to be wait some 30 seconds to 1 or 2 minutes of time. Okay, once you can receive the particular link, you have to be accept. Then you have to be set your security question, then password, then confirm password. Once you have done that, automatically you can create one Salesforce account. To log in into Salesforce, you can click on login button, or you have to be use the URL of login.salesforce.com. Once you have enter your username and password, it will be redirect to your Salesforce account. Okay, this is what your Salesforce account look like. There you have to be start your administrative, then CRM, all development activities. You can do it here. If you see the things, if you have to be log out your account, you will see your name here. You can put your own logos or anything. You can keep that. Okay, just I'm giving that. Okay, this is where you can keep your logo. If you want to log out from your account, you can simply click on log out. That's it. Okay, here switch to this is the Lightning version. I told you that there will be two different UI versions. Okay, by default it will be redirected to the Lightning. Lightning is the newer UI. If you want to go to the older version of the classic, you can click that one. If you want to log out your account, you have to be click on log out. Okay, here there will be setup menu will be there. By using the setup menu only, You can do all your administration, CRM, development activities you can do by default. Okay, okay, if you click on app launch, this is the app means modules or anything. By default, the Salesforce provides services, marketing, sales, and everything, right? Those all are CRM features. By default, the Salesforce provide all the CRM features to us. Okay, you have to be simply learn all the sales features, your marketing kind of thing. Leads, campaign. By default, the Salesforce provide all the sales and service features. Campaign, lead, okay, contacts, opportunities, report, dashboard. These are completely sales process, marketing kind of thing. There will be one more model will be the service. Service is nothing but customer have any problem or difficulty or anything. They have to be raised cases. Cases is nothing but customer problem, issue, ticketing kind of thing. Okay, they have to be create one ticket, new case. What is the case type, case reason, then case description, internal comments. They have to be do all these things. Okay, because of the Salesforce by default inbuilt CRM features. That is the reason you have to be learn the Salesforce CRM also. The Salesforce CRM is the most demandable in the market. Okay, we'll be teach in our demo sessions also what is this and everything. Okay, this is what for today's demo. Okay, benefits from svtechsoft because of, okay, from this training program, what you will get it. First one is we do provide complete training in real-time basis with a number of examples. Okay, we do provide complete training from base level to advanced level. Okay, why I mention means the lot of non-IT background people also come and learn this course. They doesn't know anything on coding. They doesn't know much hands on the system. But it's our responsibility. Will be teach all the training from base level to advanced level. Next one is everyone will get 3+ years of real-time exposure. Okay, accordingly, we'll be keep in mind and provide that training. Okay, from this training programming, after completion of course, you can write code by your own without depending on anyone. Here, okay, we will also help to complete your certification as well as resume preparation, as well as to face interviews. Okay, but these are benefits you will get from svtechsoft. Guys, do you have any questions before close up without today's demo? Do you have any questions or you want to clarify from?
No questions.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let me stop for today's demo. As we are planning to start regular batch from Monday onwards, if you want to enroll, then please contact the svtechsoft. I hope everyone has already have our email address and WhatsApp mobile number. You can reach out about regular batch.
What time is the training?
Sorry?
What time is the training?
Training timing will be same time, 8 p.m. IST.
Okay. Monday through Friday?
Yes, Monday to Friday. Weekend also will be plans to take some special classes. Okay. About to discuss about the real-time scenarios, project explanation, the resume preparation, question and answers, stored clarifications. Further sessions will be taken on weekend.
Okay.
Those will be an optional class. Okay. Because as we promised, we'll be give some guidance to clear your interviews as well as okay, the resume preparation, everything will be taking care. Those we will be taking care in the weekend time so that there is no disturbance in the regular class.
All right, thank you.
Okay, guys, let me stop for today's session. Okay. The regular batch will be starting from Monday onwards. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your time. Bye.